Back looking at this boat. Remember now, this section right here, we've got a ceramic coating here by Avalon King, and we've got a restructure marine polish or fire glaze here. This has been a couple months out. You can see the surface is dirty, but look at that. There's a little sun right there. Now this is the side with the ceramic coating. I think there's a line right there. There's the line up and down. So ceramic side, restructure marines, fire glaze. Ceramic side, restructure marine, and nothing. And if you want to see what the other parts look like, those are still going good. Now this just has Flagship by Meguiar's, I believe. And I don't know, there's a little bit of a reflection, tiny one, on the top side. I probably don't show that too often. Probably even less up here, which was a section that was giving me some trouble when I was working on it. But you can see the bow still looks pretty good compared to the other side. And you see all the dirt. I'm not wiping this one down. This is not my boat anymore. I don't own it. Luckily for me though, the shop that does own it is doesn't mind too much if I walk over here and take a look at it. But there is a little bit of a shine on the top side. Again, this is just Flagship by Meguiar's. So, not terrible for sitting out for almost 2 years. And then let's go back over here, just take a look one more time. If you can tell a difference, cool. If you can't, also cool. Both of these products are designed to last over a year. So if you want to use fire glaze, feel free. If you want to use Avalon King's Armor 9, feel free. Both of which were very easy to apply. If you want, you can check out the video that I did where I applied both products. I don't see a difference particularly. And yes, there's all sorts of dirt and stuff. I told you I wasn't going to wipe this down. I wasn't going to cheat, so there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll probably come back at the end of the season. Then you'll know it lasted at least through the season. Cool? As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Go ahead and if you like, subscribe or give a thumbs up or leave a comment and say that it sucked. I don't care.